Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable Smart Wake in Vivo Y33s smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of the phone, then choose shortcuts and accessibility. Then click Smart Motion. Then choose Smart Wake. Now need to enable the swipe up unlock and the swipe down to take a photo. So I enabled the two options now. Now we can come back to lock screen. So in the lock screen mode, if you do like this, the screen got opened. If you do downward, the camera got opened. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.